Hi guys, in this tutorial I will tell you how to create a custom 404 page for your Django project. Before that, we need to check some requirements to be satisfied on our local machine. For that, type the following command py space -m, which is nothing but python admin space Django space hyphen hyphen version. This will give you the current version of your Django. You can use anything above the 3. So if Django is not installed on your local machine, you can install it by using this following command pip space install space Django. Using this command, you can install Django on your local machine. So let's create a new project by using the following command py space -m Django space start project space project name. As of now, I'm giving project as my project name. You can give anything of your personal choice. So as you can see, the new project was created. So change the directory to the project folder by using command cd project. So we have successfully navigated to the project directory. After that, we need one more app to work on this project. So let's create an app by using the following command, which is py space manage.py space start app space the app name. As of now, I am giving demo as my app name. You can give any of your personal choice. So after installing the demo app, let's configure it in installed apps in settings.py file. So just like that, and configure one more thing in the templates array, configure the templates folder. So let's create a template folder as well, which is nothing but we are configuring this template folder into the Django project like this. In this template folder, create one more file for home page home.html, and second one is 404.html. So in this home page, quickly use the boilerplate code and just type hello, this is home page. So go to the demo app and create a new file, which is urls.py file. In this file, type the following code from django.urls import path. Let's create a URL patterns array which hold all our paths. So here I am writing my first path, which is localhost path represented by single quotes. So comma views.home comma name equal to home. We are getting a warning for views because we haven't imported that. To resolve it, just import like this from dot import views. So go to the views.py file and let's write a home view. Home of request and return render of request comma in single quotes home.html template like this. So after that, go to the main urls.py file and configure the demo URLs here as well. So I'm writing a new path again using the localhost path. This time I'm using the include function to include the demo URLs as well. So we're getting a warning for include. So make sure you have imported include as well. After that, we have configured everything pretty much. So let's run our server. By using command py space manage.py space run server. As you can see, we have successfully compiled. So go to the browser and type the following address, which is localhost colon 8000. This will give you the home page. So again here you are writing one more URL path, which is handler 404 equal to, in single quotes, our app is demo dot views dot error underscore 404. Write the following URL under the URL patterns array. Just save this. So we have got error for not configuring the view in this app, demo app. So go to the views and write the following def for error underscore 404 of request, and one more argument is exception. So return render of request comma 404.html. As you can see, we solved the error just like that. So in this 404 page, you can add your custom design 404. Here you can say page not found. Before this working, I will show you a demo of Django 404 page. We have to override that with our custom template. So let's type something irrelevant to our project. As you can see, page not found 404 of Django. This template was created by Django, but we want to override that with our custom template. What you can do is go to the settings.py file and go to the debug and make it false. In the allowed host, write the single quotes, and inside the single quotes add asterisk. It will allow the every host it has. So again refresh it. As you can see, we got page not found, which is our custom template.